So people are asking me every day, Pete, what is going on with this crazy real? Speaking of crazy, I got my daughter with me. People are asking me all the time, Pete, what's going on with this crazy real estate market? Well, watch this. For 20 years, I've been dedicating my best efforts to helping my clients get the most for their homes in the shortest amount of time. In 20 years, I've learned a lot, and I'm learning more. Get ready to share with me. Welcome to the Pete DeYoung Show. So here's what's going on. And of course, this is April of this year versus April of last year. And what we did see was a 63% decline in sales over last year, as you can expect. And demand is still dropping off faster than supply. So people are listing up their houses at a much slower rate than they were, but the demand is dropping off even more. So, but with respect to pricing, here's what's interesting. The average house price did go down 8%. If you look at the numbers, but when you peel the layers off the onion a little bit and see what's actually really going on, is when you look at what we call a benchmark price in terms of housing. What we'll do is we'll pick a typical Calgary house, and we'll see what happened to the price of a typical Calgary house year over year. It declined only 1%. So there are some variances within the market. Closer to the city center and houses over 600,000, they've declined the most, and they're selling less than they were. Where the homes under 600, especially under 500, they're still selling. They didn't drop off in sales at near the rate that the more expensive houses did. So that drives the average down. But like I said, the benchmark price has only fallen 1%. Not bad. Yet. In terms of what's going to happen in future markets, I think we're going to predict some future price declines. I don't know how much. It depends how quickly the world recovers from COVID, and of course, it also depends on how quickly our oil prices recover and that kind of stuff. But with respect to the value of your house and where it's going, give me a call and give me your address. I'd be happy to help you out with that. I'd be happy to tell you what homes like yours are selling for in your neighborhood, because every neighborhood is different. And give you any information that you might need. We can even develop a plan to help you get moving. The reality is this, and I tell people this all the time: when the market's down and you're buying and selling in the same market, it doesn't really matter. Because you might get 20% less for your house, as an extreme example, which is not happening yet. But say, for example, you're going to get 20% less for your house. It just means you're going to pay 20% less for the house that you're buying in the same market. So if you're moving in the same market, it really doesn't matter. In fact, there's some opportunities out there. So give me a call. I'd be happy to discuss it with you. I think, like I said, we might see some more price declines, but that just means that the price of the house you're going to be buying is going to be declining as well. But give me a call. I'd be happy to go over what the value of your house is. All right, thanks so much. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you have any other questions or would like some more information from me, comment down below or text me at the number at the end of this video.